Hello student, welcome to my channel, A Journey of Exploring Education. Today you will see the presentation of Miss Savri Sutar on Human Resource Management. So let's see the presentation.
Hello everyone, myself Saudi from BBA first year, and today I am going to share a detailed information about HRM, that is Human Resource Management, and HRD, that is Human Resource Department. HRM and HRD. Introduction. Human Resource Management refers to the application of principles of management to manage the people working in the organization. Human resource development means continuous development function that intends to improve the performance of people working in the organization. Now, what is HRM? Human Resource Management or HRM is defined as a branch of management that deals with the management of employees in a manner that they can provide the best results to an enterprise. Next, it enhances the performance and productivity of a company by assessing the best utilization of human resources. Overall, HRM can be termed as the art of putting the right human resource to the right job to enable the maximum possible usage of an organization's human resource. What is HRD? Human Resource Development or HRD is defined as the development of employees working in any organization. As a subset of HRM, it aims at improving the skills, competencies, knowledge, behavior, and attitude of people working in a specific organization. Now, the main goal of HRD activities relates to empowering and strengthening the capabilities of employees for making their performance metrics better. Moving towards basis of differentiation. First, definition. HRM. It refers to how the principles of management can be applied to manage the employees working in an organization effectively. HRD refers to continuous development functions that are implemented for improving the performance of those working in an organization. Nature. HRM is a management function, whereas HRD is a sub-function of HRM. Function. The functions of HRM are reactive and are usually applied to gaining holistic organizational goals, whereas the functions of HRD are proactive and have to be applied consistently to enhance the productivity of employees. Goal. The objectives of HRM are related to improving the overall performance of employees. HRD goals are usually connected with skill development, knowledge enhancement, and increasing the competency of the employees. Process. Most HRM processes are routine and have to be carried out as and when the need arises. HRD processes are ongoing and not occasional. Now, dependency. HRM is an independent entity in itself. It comprises of different sections inclusive of requirement and retention, HRD, compensation, performance, appraisal management, etc. HRD is concerned with the development of all aspects and people within an organization and manages its skill development processes. Conclusion. HRM is an independent entity and function and has different roles to play in comparison to HRD, that is, subsystem of HRM, and dependent task. At last, we can conclude saying that HRM has concerns for people only, whereas HRD is concerned with the development of all aspects and manages its skills development processes. Thank you.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.